Hi, in this video we are going to see about a join function. So there are a lot of there are many types of join in the database. So that is inner join operation, left outer join, right outer join, cross join operation, natural join operation. So first we are going to see the problems based on this join operations. So the first problem is that write a query to display the name, living city, company name, salary, and joining date of the employee using natural join. So already we have been created the manager tables in before exercise. Now let us now using the tables we are going to perform certain operation using the join function. So first operation is that first we need to select the employees table. So select all from employees table. That is we are going to use the natural join. Then employees companies table. So this is employee table and employees company table. We are going to give a join. So if we done, it will display the that is employee name, city, then company name, salary, and date of that company. So next problem is that write a query to display the name, living city, company name, salary, and joining date of the employee using cross join. So that is using cross join. So simply you can take the attributes given in the question, that is employee name, city, company name, salary, date from the employees table, that is from the employees table, and a cross join of employees company table. So that is employees table is A, employees table is A, and employee company table is B. So if we done this operation, this cross join, it will give a lot of set of data. So that is here Anil from Nagpur. That is these are the Anils from Nagpur of different companies of salary. This that is next is Shankar. So Shankar of this, then next JR, then Sunil, Vijay, Prakash, then Ajay. So of different employees name of same that is city, their company name, salary, and date will be displayed. That is 56 rows has been selected. So next problem is that write a SQL statement to make a Cartesian product between manager name and employee name. So Cartesian product, so first we need to select this employee name, that is A, that is A is manager, that is manager table, and B is the employees table. So A dot that is manager's name, and employee's name. So from that we are going to provide a cross join. So if we provide a cross join like before, it will display for the manager and the employee's name. So next problem is that display the employee's name, manager name, and salary of the employee whose salary is greater than 3000 using var class. So the salary of the manager and employees should be greater than 30, sorry, greater than 3000. So if you simply can give the attributes of the two tables, and where salary, that is for employees company salary is greater than 300, so it will display the names of the employees who are getting greater than 3000 salary. So next problem is that display the employee's name, manager, and salary of the employee where salary is greater than 3000. We are using on class. So if you, that is we are using in class, that is in this is in and this is on. So that is on same query will be applied here. Instead of in we are using on, so it will be display the uh, names of the employee who are getting salary greater than 30 sorry 3000. So next is display, write a SQL statement to prepare a list where employee name who live and work in the same city. So who works and live in the same city called, that is the Daniel, Ajay, Shankar, Jaya, and Sunil are living in the same city and working for the company. So that is distant. So distant is it will gives the common city name, that is a common employee's name, that is C name from employee table, that is A company, the company table, that is B, where A dot city equal to B dot city. So next problem is that write a SQL statement to make a list where employees name who live in the city Chennai, and whose salary is between 1500 and 10,000. So the employee who living in Chennai and they getting the salary between 1500 and 10,000. So that is select a e-name. uh, Here that is select distinct, that is employees company. Distinct, that is employer from the employees company, and employees name B, where B dot city equal to Chennai, the where the employees should be in the living in the city called Chennai, and their salary is between 5,500 and 10,000. So no one is being false in this criteria. So next is display the name of the employee, company name, and salary of the employee who are not assigned any living city. So who are not in any, that is any living city is, see, display the company name, m name, that is a dot m name from b dot shift. So shift from manager, left outer join employee shift on e name. So it will be displayed here. So this was the query. Select a employees, that is employee table, and that is employee table's name, and employees company, that is company salary from employee company. Join, that is join employees, employee on employees city is null, that is city will be should be null, and employees e name equal to employees company e name. So it will, if it is matched, it will be displayed. So here the table, so it is not matching, and it results in no rows selected. So next problem is display the employee name, manager name, and shift of all employee, left outer join. So left outer join, select a e name dot a dot e name, then that is a dot m name. So b dot shift name. So a is the manager the manager table, and b is the shift table. So where a dot e name equal to b dot e name. So that Anil, they satisfy that Anil from both companies, Sunil and Vijay, sorry, Anil from the company, and shift Vijay Prakash, Ajay, Jaya, and Shankar. Next, display the cities of the employee which company is not located. So the company is not located is company where employee B, where A dot city plus equal to B dot city, and A dot city is null. If it is null, that is Calcutta, only one person. Next, display the employee name, manager name, and shift of the employees using full or outer join. So same, instead of here between the two table, you can use a full outer, so it will be displayed here, the table. They explain the, sorry, display the employee name, manager name, and shift of the employee using natural join. So using natural join, simply you can take employee name and names from shift from manager table, natural join, and employee shift table, so it will be displayed. So next is the display the employee name, cities of the employee who are assigned as a manager and live in the same city that of as that of manager. So that is inner join. So this is the selected distinct, that is common employee name, and a city from employee, that is from employee, and then inner join, that is manager, that is B. On B name is not null, the B name, that is manager name, should be not null, and a city equal to the employee city, and a name, employee name equal to, that is manager name. So they are Anil and Sunil. So next is display the ascending list of customer who are either assigned a manager or not. So ascending list is either they are appointed as manager or not. So distinct, that common from employee, then from manager, where e name equal to b name, or e name is not equal to b name, order by ascending order. So it will be order in ascending order. So next, make use of the depositor and customer table in previous exercise to list all the customer names and amount of depositor living in the same city where either Anil or Sunil is living. So all the customer, here all the depositor or customer in previous exercise, list all the customer name and amount of depositor. So all the customer names and amount of deposit were living in the same city of Anil or Sunil. So Anil or Sunil city customers should be printed. So select A dot C name, B dot amount from customer A and deposit B, where A dot C name equal to B dot C name. So the name should be same. And a city, the city should be in select city from employee, where E name equal to Anil or E name equal to Sunil. So Sunil or Anil city will be generated, and it will be in this city will be gives the answer, and it will be satisfy the criteria, and it will be display the names. So this is, so this then it will be display that that are Pramid, Shivani, Kranti and Narayan are the those customers living in the city of Anil or Sunil. So uh, these were the problems using this join function in this database. Thank you.